Get through there. On your head. Yeah. You can come up here. I'm gonna get you another one. Go ahead and shoot that one. Hey, it's no big deal. Here, I'm videoing you. That's all I want to do. Shoot your gun. You listen to me. Here, go ahead and play.
I'm not sure that I'm supposed to.
It's the same thing as you have. Ain't no difference. It's not pink. Those double tires they're laying down, there's one behind. Yep, you got it.
Oh, you got it. Oh, that was fun. Oh, you keep there's one more bar. I don't keep moving. Where? I don't know where one of them.
Oh, get him. You got it.
This is Simon. I thought that one guy was slid in like 5 times and he stayed in.
Oh, really? Shoot him some more.
Where's Brent at?
He's on this side.
We're all around there. Wow, thanks.
You want to get it out, picture at? Oh, whatever. It's in that building.
I've already shot you right here.
Hit.